How has the public speaking or just the way we communicate, how have that changed now through and over the pandemic? And we're still in it as somehow, right? How has that changed?
Yeah, I would say the biggest difference between before and now is that the mediums of technology haven't changed, Sannah, but the adoption rate has changed significantly. So what does that mean? That means that Zoom, Teams, all this stuff existed before, but now it's really becoming mainstay. So now hybrid is going to be the future. We're not going to go back to just in person and some online. There's going to be a lot more online, which means knowing how to present virtually is a permanent skill, not a temporary one for the pandemic. I think that's the biggest shift. So we need to know how to we need to know how to deliver the same quality online as well as offline.
Yeah. Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com or mindinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.